Remove an UltraFrame Flange Extender from the pack. Peel back the part of the liner marked 1 and position the extender over the edge of the flange, so part covers the flange and part touches the skin. Press down on the centre to adhere this section. Peel back liner 2 at the bottom and press into place. Peel back liner 3 at the top and press into place. Remove the final protective layer marked 4, starting with the top half, then the bottom half. Repeat on the other side with the next extender. To remove, grab the release tab and gently pull outwards. This lifts the extender away from the skin easily and leaves just a small piece of material to dispose of.